All right, today we're going over how to set up the gotcha bot. We are currently on version 2.1.0.6, but we're going to go over 0.5 because that's currently what is on the release. I haven't gotten to uploading 0.6 yet, but that's fine because this included an auto update feature. This can be disabled in the settings.ini, but we're going to demonstrate how it works today. So the first step here is to download the bot and make sure we have the Discord client, not Chrome. So I have the Discord client here. The reason is because we find the window. If you hover over here, you can see it says #general-discord. If we use Chrome or Firefox or some other web browser, that changes the window name. So we need to make sure we're using the desktop client. For this purpose, I made it a new server called tutorial. I've already added Pokecord here, and I'm going to delete this guy just so we can go over how to do this. So Pokecord is in here. I've selected a Pokemon. You can see I've already been using it a little bit just to make sure it worked. What we're gonna start over from the beginning here. So once we do that, we need to download. Clicking this download link brings you here. You just download the zip here at the bottom, or there's going to be a MediaFire link to download. There's also a VirusTotal link. When we updated to the auto updater, because it downloads a file, it downloads the update.zip inside of our releases. It picks up as a Trojan downloader, but that's a false positive. It's just because of that download function, just because of the one function. There's only 2 virus detectors that pick that up as a Trojan. It's not. The source code is uploaded. You can look at it. There's nothing malicious. So we go ahead and download it. I've already downloaded this. I already have it open here. You can see 2.1.0.5. I'm going to minimize this real quick and just extract this so we have it on our desktop. What we're going to need to do, and what the tutorial is going to tell us to do, is to set up the bot in Discord. So what you can see here is the first step is to go here, which is the Discord developers applications area, their developer portal. Obviously, I'm logged into the wrong account right now, so let me open up a incognito browser, go there. I'm just going to log into my other account real quick. One of these alts I'm using for this tutorial. All right, so this is the bot that was inside of the Discord just a second ago. I'm going to make a new one. For this, I'm just going to name it GotchaBot1. Hit create. We need to invite the bot to our Discord, so we go to OAuth 2. And we're going to go down and hit bot and copy. Once we have that link, we just need to invite it. So we're just going to open a new tab and invite the bot to Discord. Oh, my bad. You have to go to bot first. Then you have to add the bot. Yes, add the bot. And then go back to OAuth 2. Do that one more time. Bot, copy, and repaste it. All right, now we need to select the server. For this, we're going to do tutorial and hit authorize. Once we do that and say we're not a robot, it's going to add the bot to our server under the online list. Oops. And there it is. Right there. Added to our online list. It's currently offline, but it's there. Next step is to get its token. So going back to bot, you see how it says token right here. Go ahead and click copy. Make sure you keep this private. If someone gets your bot token, they can override your bot and make it do other things, which can get your account in trouble. So just don't do that. You do need to have admin on a server, so I recommend just starting up a new server like this and inviting Pokecord, just you and Pokecord and the bot. So we need to know the name for the Discord channel, which is general here, and we have the bot copied into our clipboard. It needs to be set in the settings.ini. but we don't need to manually do that. In this new version, it'll automatically do that. So what we're going to do first is we're going to open up GotchaBot. You can see the updater here. We're going to open up the Gotcha version 2.1.exe. Because this is set as 2.1.0.5 and the current version is 0.6, it's going to automatically update as soon as I start this. So you can see there's nothing down here named update.zip, but when I start this, it's going to add an update.zip, extract the zip, and restart the bot. So here we go. Here's the updater. It's going to download the update, as you can see, and it already did it. All right, cool. So it's downloaded, it's updated, you can see version 2.1.0.6. Wants us to enter that token, so I'm going to go ahead and enter it. I don't care if you see this, I'm deleting the bot right after this. Enter, so it says updated. We set the token to that. Now it needs the channel name, which is general. Enter that, and now it's going to start. This is going to start spamming into Discord. Now, I'm going to press F12 real quick to pause the bot and resize my Discord. As you can see, it already got that this level up here at level 9 has already happened. And it got that I paused the bot. So I'm just going to hit F12 to resume again, and it's going to start spamming once more. It loaded the settings.ini, and you can see all the things that you can change. You can make it so it doesn't auto spam. Auto bell, if you collect a new Pokemon or it's your 10th or 100th, it will automatically collect the Pokedex reward. It also has notifications for legendaries, mythics, ultra beasts, event Pokemon like Detective Pikachu, and shiny notifications. So if you catch a shiny, it will PM you and let you know that you caught it. Same with any of the others. You can turn off auto updates, auto spamming, auto balance, auto leveling. If your Pokemon hits level 100, it'll automatically switch to the most recently caught Pokemon. It's not exactly an effective method for training specific Pokemon you want, but it does keep your Pokemon leveling up at a steady pace. You will always be leveling something. I'm just kind of waiting for a Pokemon to spawn so you can see it catch and collect the auto balance for it being a new Pokemon. The console will also keep track of how many of each Pokemon you catch. So if you catch 10 like Pikachus, for example, it will say most frequently caught Pikachu with how many you've caught. And that updates as you go. The whitelist in the settings.ini is for all the Pokemon that you want to catch, and you can see on mine it says that it loaded 828. That means it's catching all of them. And as you can see, it just caught that guy there, Dugong, spawned, level 41, it caught it. This is how many you've seen, how many you caught, your catch rate. Let me pause this. Your level rate, or levels gained, how many evolutions you have gained, how many legendaries, mythics, ultra beasts, and so on. In the next update, shinies will be listed here too, so you know how many shinies, but that's not detrimental, so it'll wait until there's a big portion of code ready to push out. And then right here, new, most caught. Once you have this like at 3, it's not going to say new anymore. It says new every time there's a new one. Once it gets up to 2, then there's total of 2 that's new, and then once it's not new anymore, it'll stay. But because you have 1, each time you catch 1, it's the new record keeper because it's the newest one at 1. But that's the only thing there. It's most effective for its stats once it's been running for a while. An average night, I catch around 600 Pokemon with a 100% catch rate. Have never failed to catch a Pokemon. If it does fail, it's usually because there's a bug with the system itself. The bot also detects if Pokecord goes offline, so if the system shuts down for whatever reason, their shards go offline, it will pause the bot and wait for Pokecord to come back online. F12 pauses and resumes the bot, and that is everything that you need to know about the GotchaBot.